Using a microphone and camera integrated into this prototype TV, JVC unveiled a new way of controlling your TV by using sound and gestures.
This is a TV that doesn't use a remote control. We can control this TV just by using our hands. Let me demonstrate. By only using two actions, clapping and hand gestures, we can operate this TV. This is how we operate it by clapping. This brings up the channel and volume menu. When there are a lot of channels, we can use not only clapping but also gestures to select the channel. To bring up the menu, you can clap 3 times. We can then use hand gestures. You can see your hand superimposed over the image on the screen, so you can select channels like this. So when your fingers are over the button you wish to select, you can bend your fingers down and back to select the channel. Once you select your channel, you can wave goodbye to turn off the menu.
The TV's microphone uses a sound filter to prevent it from responding to ambient sounds in the room or noise from the TV. DigInfo News.